Hello everyone. This video I'm going to be turning this piece of ash. It's a ash crotch or branch here, and I'm going to try to make a vase out of it. And I've never tried doing one of these where you have the crotch up here, but we'll give it a try. I've seen a couple of turners turn them, and they always seem to turn out really nice. So I'm going to take it slow. I'm going to go ahead and use my bowl gouge to do this because all of my spindle gouges are all old and they all have like the square tangs on them instead of a round rod like the new ones do. So just to be safe, I'm going to, especially with all this space right in here, just like on a normal bowl, when you have wings, I'm just going to make sure that I protect myself. And let's see how it turns out. All right, there we go. Now I got it to where it'll spin. Just want to let you know to make sure that when you're turning something like this, I'm going to stand off to the side and work my way up. That way, if it does let go down here on the headstock end, if anything, it's going to throw it back this way, and I'll be out of the way. I don't ever like standing right and directly, especially when you're first starting to get it when it's rough, even a bowl. I don't like standing right in direct line of fire, even though I'm wearing a face shield. I think it's always better to protect yourself. If it were to hit me in the chest or hit me in the arm or something, it would still hurt and it might cause some damage. So. Okay, so it looks like I'm taking off a little bit more off of one side than the other side, so I'm going to go ahead and move this over a little bit, and hopefully that'll give me a little more even going up. Alright, so here's the finished vase. I have 3 coats of Waco on here, but you can see some of the chatoyance where the crotch was. Left the bark on here. My wife likes green, so I wasn't too sure about it at first, but she loves it. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.